Hi guys, so as I promised you guys and told you on my previous video about Ipsy that I'm going to do one more unbagging video for Ipsy for the month of August. And it's actually my sister who subscribes to Ipsy, but she does not want to come in a video. She's camera shy, so I'm going to do her unbagging. So here's the bag. And like I told you guys on my video, which was of course half of the part was deleted, that this month's theme is prep school, and this is what it is. And the bag is this one. It feels like plastic material, and which I think personally I think it's good, because if you have the plastic material and if you have some liquid and it drops on your bag, I mean definitely your makeup is going to be ruined, but at least you will save your purse from that. So let's start and see what is in her bag. So the first thing she has is this Batiste dry shampoo, and it's in the smell floral and fruit flavor. So I have the same one in a bigger size, and I actually did a haul for that too. It was a summer essentials haul, and I'm going to link that below too in case you guys want to look at it. So yeah, this is the first thing that she got in her bag. The second thing in her bag is this one, which is a nail polish, and let me show you how it looks. And I actually really like the color. It looks like chocolate mocha. I don't know how to describe this, but it's from Ayla Cosmetics or Ayla Cosmetics, and it's in the shade Mr. Bookies, and this is the color. So it's like a chocolate, creamy chocolate, white, I mean like I don't know how to explain, but it's like really beautiful color, chocolate. So that's the second thing in her bag. And then the third thing in her bag is this Starlux Pro eyeliner pen, and it's just a black eyeliner pen. And I have got Starlux product in my past bags, and there was like I got the pencil. Both of the times I got the pencil, and I like both the pencil. It's creamy, it's shimmery, and the glitters does not poke in your eyes, so I really like that one. But I have never got an eyeliner pen, and this is just in black. Next thing in her bag is this tweezer. It says Precision Beauty. It's just like a regular tweezer, which actually she said she's going to give it to me because she just recently purchased a tweezer before getting her Ipsy bag. So yeah, I'm going to get this one. And the last one I have in her bag is Hikari lip gloss. I got the Hikari lip gloss too, but I got in the color Salsa, and this one is Merlot. This is the one it has. I'm just going to open this one and do a swatch for you. Or actually, I'm going to do the swatch for the eyeliner pen too. I mean, what the heck, I'll just try to do it at the end of the video, so at least the video will not get ruined in case it just gets stopped. So this is the color she has. I have like red kind of color. She has like a maroon, pinkish red, maroon kind of like dark. And let me swatch this for you guys. And it is really pigmented. I really like it. So this is what the color is. And like I said, it's creamy, it's dark, it's really pigmented. It's really beautiful. I have got a Hikari lipstick and past from Ipsy also, and it's in the, I don't know what color is that, but it's red. But it's kind of dry. But this lip gloss are really pigmented. I mean, the color is really nice and it's pigmented, but it's kind of dry. But this one I see is since it's a lip gloss, it's not dry, and it looks like it's a long wearing lipstick. Okay, so let me just open this and show you guys how it looks. There's nothing else to do the swatch, because the other thing is like tweezer, nail polish, and a dry shampoo. So Yeah, and in case you want to see my unbagging video, I'm going to link that down below as well, so you can have a look at it. It's really hard to open this one. Okay, I got this. So this is how the tip looks, and let me swatch this for you too. Wow, you see, you can do the, what kind of pen is this one called? Calligraphy. I mean, I like it. So you can do the fine and you can do the dark. Yeah, and it's, oh my god, it's really black. I mean, it's really black. So this is all she got on her Ipsy bag. If you guys like my video and if you guys want me to do some kind of review, please let me know. Please let me know. Please comment down below and let me know, and I will do it for you. And if you see something which is wrong in my videos and something that I'm doing not, that's something that I should change, you can also let me know that, and I will definitely do it for you guys. And please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm really new here. I'm a learner, I'm a beginner, as I said always. And so I will need your guys, I will need support from you guys, so please help me out. And till then, I will be back with my another video, so please do watch that one too. I'm also going to link that down below once I'm done. So please do watch that and comment. Okay, thank you, love you guys, bye.